Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, in today's video, I'm going to share with you what one thing made me fluent. There is one thing that I applied in my entire journey and I believe that I should give whole credit to that one thing, and that is consistency. Yes, you heard me right. My friend, since I started learning this language, I have never ever broken my consistency, to be honest. Because I don't have environment and I know the consequences if I don't practice every single day. Without having environment, I will lose whatever I have achieved, you know. So in your case also, if you don't have environment, don't try to break your consistency, because this is the one thing that will make you fluent. Other, it doesn't matter how many hours you practice. Yes, of course, little bit it matters, but consistency matter a lot. Every single day try to show up, you know. That will make you successful in any particular areas. It's not only about learning this language, it's about achieving anything. But in our case, what we do, we just do anything for a lot of hour, for only 1 day 2 day like that, or 1 week 2 week, and that is why we don't achieve whatever we want to achieve, right? So in my entire journey, I would say I have never ever broken my consistency. So in your case also, if you want to become a fluent speaker, my friend, I will highly recommend you, don't break your consistency. This is the one thing that will make you to speak this language fluently. See, when I was a beginner, I had different kind of mindset. I thought that we need to be perfect if we want to do something in our life. But no, I was wrong. When I read some books or watched some videos, my perspective got changed. I came to know that no matter we are doing good or bad, we need to show up. So same thing goes with the learning English language also, and I really applied. And now also I apply every single day, no matter whether I see improvement or not, but I practice. In your case also, if you want to achieve fluency, then don't worry about your fluency, just worry about your consistency. If I ask this question, are you consistent enough? There are multiple of people, they make lame excuses by saying I'm working professional, this one, that one. Who doesn't have work? Who doesn't have responsibility in this world? No one is sitting idle, right? Everyone has work, but if they have decided to do something in their life, they take out time for that particular things also, right? So learning English is also one important work. You can take out your time, little bit time for this language. You should not give hours and hours, because you are working professional, you have other responsibilities. So just give few minutes every single day. My friend, you won't believe, in the end of the month or in the end of 6 months or 1 year, you will see great improvement. Okay, so I applied this thing in my speaking journey, and now also I apply, and I believe that this kind of thing can make me achieve anything. See, I do apply in making videos also. Someday I don't feel to record any video, but even I just take out my mobile and I start recording. Why? Because I know the importance of consistency. Earlier, I didn't know, and that's why I would say I couldn't achieve fluency very fast way. It took time. But if you want to learn this language very fast way, my friend, I would highly recommend you not to break your consistency, or else you will get fluency, it will take time. Yeah. So just be consistent, practice every single day, only few minutes. That will also make you fluent. See, there are a lot of people, they start learning this language and in between they stop, once again they start, and they keep doing this kind of activity. There is no consistency in their practice, and this is only very thing that is not letting them speak this language very fluently. So if you want to be different from them, you need to do different from them, right? What else you can do? That is being consistent. Everyday practice, no matter how good you are speaking. Don't care about your improvement in your initial day. It will automatically happen. See, in case if you don't have environment, then don't break your consistency. The person who has environment, no matter they are speaking every day or not, no matter they are practicing, they are reading or not, but for us, we don't have environment. If we don't practice for one day, you know what we will be doing? We will be speaking our mother tongue and doing a lot of gossiping in our mother tongue and doing other kind of stuff except involving in English, and our whole day will go blank, I mean without any English word. And that is why we will lose our fluency. That is why we will lose whatever we have achieved, you know. So if we want to maintain our level in this language, we need to be consistent. Really, my friend, when I was a beginner or in my early days, I didn't know the importance of being consistent. If I had known earlier, I would have got a lot of things, to be honest. So I'm sharing with you. I hope you will take it very seriously. This is the very thing that made me fluent, you know, because I don't have environment. At my home, no one speaks English. Even a single word also they don't use. So you can imagine in that situation or in that kind of environment how we can be fluent, how we can maintain our consistency, not consistency, how we can maintain our fluency. It's really very challenging. And for that one, we have only one way: to be consistent, to practice every day, to listen every day, and read and talk with people. This is how we can learn this language. There is no other alternative. If you break the consistency, you are going to face the consequences. Eventually, you won't become a fluent speaker. But if you reverse it, I mean, if you practice every single day, listen, read, talk, and if you record yourself, then in the end of the day, you will be speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. So this is what, my friend, I applied on myself, and as a result, I'm speaking before you. Okay? So no matter how perfect you are in any particular area, just try to show up, you know, and then you will see that a lot of changes will happen in your life. I know many people, they believe in perfection. That is why they are unable to achieve their desirable things. But if you ask to me, earlier I used to do this kind of silly mistake, but now I don't, because I believe in showing up, you know. I believe in doing small things every single day, because in that one we don't feel tired, we don't feel burdensome, you know. It become easy, and if we start something doing from the easy thing, then we can continue doing that one for a long period of time. But if we start doing something from the difficult one, the chances are we can break our consistency, and as a result we won't achieve anything. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.